Hi. You say hi to the people watching this. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Let's move there to the... Okay? Let's say hi to the people watching this. You say hi to Ate Mary? Say hi to Kuya Gian. Hi! Okay, Mom is gonna change your clothes now. Oh, let's go to brighter area. Wait. Here, you say hi now.
Wait lang anak, wait. Hindi pwede. Tumatak sa mga babae sa balcony.
Here.
Hindi ka makakalaman. Yan pag visiting hours. Pag-along sa lang namin yan sa Pilipinas ito.
Hi, Evil Witch. Hi, Evil Witch. Touch it. Guys, I'm trying to do something. Who are you texting? Mia, who are you texting? Ate Mia's texting her boyfriend. Right? Am I right?
Tama. Hindi ba ang ganda-ganda ng alagang ginagawa ng
Don't eat my phone. No. No. No.
maarte kasi sila. Thank God. Thank God, marami pang conservative na magulang talaga. Okay. Tapos ito, nagsasalita tayo kayo. Nakakaloka to, sinok na lang namin ngayon. Bagong lipat kami yung mga kasunod namin. Mga nililig sa gabi. Dahil, ikot naman yung sa kwarto.
Here.
Sa baba, sabi, pangit mo. Ay, pala living room. Ang pagkaintindi niya, pangit mo. Ano?
Okay.
Oh. Walang kanya, walang ganyan. May ganyan, ha? Oh, tapos.
Okay, you're crying. Bye-bye.